Well, well, guys. I'm here in my seat to start a new job here, but there's no way to open the box. It's so strange. There's no way. Every day, a lot of phantom arise here to make my day so happy and funny. I need to open, but there's nothing here to open the box. Let's try this one, because I need to open to do the repair. And person are kidding me. Well, yeah, but I will open the box for fine. Simple. A simple model. Let me see what's happening here. I think that we have here a letter to explain the situation. Yes, we have. Choked with a construction. Okay, let me see what is the situation and the way I will start the job. Wall attached by a building. Wonderful. I need to turn on, but I will hide here. The lights are talking that the navigation system is damaged, but the quadcopter is too bad. Let me see a thing here. This motor is damaged. I need to repair. The propellers are bad. My counsel is, if you have damaged propellers, don't turn on and don't fly with your quadcopter. Well, I need to make this quadcopter safe for fly again. I think that it's bad. It's too bad. The people are crazy. The people like to fly without no one's security. It's broken. Here is broken. The people fly without security, without calibration, without a perfect calibration with the to the quadcopter. And at the end, we have the major quadcopter. Let's go. I will repair and I will make this quadcopter good for fly with security saved and with perfect conditions to fly again. But the owner needs to fly with attention, because the quadcopter is not like the Iron Man. It's a plastic one. Okay, let's go. Well, this is the end. When you quadcopter is broken, you need to see n things. Hold a minute. you need to see if the red light in front of your quadcopter is only red or is blue and red. If it's blue and red, you need to be careful for don't damage more your quadcopter. My counsel is don't turn on. Find a person to repair and send. If the light is only red, you have a simple damage. But if you have no one skill, you need to find a person to repair. Proper is bad. Well, let me see what's happening here now with the quadcopter before. I think that now it's good. The light is turning. I need to do the calibration system here now. Okay, and now the calibration. Calibration is an important thing in your quadcopter. If you do a bad calibration, your fly is too bad. If you do a good calibration, you'll have good conditions for fly. But here, I'm only showing anything. Look, here, the red light. If this light is blue and red, you have problems. Look, hold a minute. Hold a minute. I'm disarming. No. I will turn on again. So you'll see the light, the blue light and the red light. Look, blue and red. But if your quadcopter is good, all the red light will shine. Now this quadcopter is good. And now it can fly with security. Okay, that's all. All a thing here. Hold a minute. I like to do my job with perfection, but has anything here too bad, and I will repair it now. Oh, it's a small piece. We had a small piece here. Now I think that it's good. When I turned it on the quadcopter, a small piece was at the gimbal. Okay, that's all. This now can fly with perfection.